Hello everyone, I am the Craftacular Creator and today I'm going to share a process video for a card that will leave stars in your eyes. We'll be getting inky with smooshing, resisting the urge to resist thanks to Heat Emboss Resist, adding some lettering and sprinkling on a generous helping of sparkling stars. Before we begin gazing through the telescope, please get clicky for Vicky. That's my own catchy way of asking you to like, comment, share and subscribe. Your support would be out of this world and possibly in a galaxy far, far away. My main supplies today were Lawn Fawn Lucky Stars and holographic metallic cardstock. Other bits and bobs will be mentioned along the way and listed in the description below. And yes, that cute little mouse and our fancy holographic paper will be making their grand entrances later. Fun star fact, did you know that the sun is technically a yellow dwarf star? But don't be fooled by the name, it's actually brighter than 90% of the stars in the Milky Way. Quite the show off. To begin, I prep my white cardstock with an anti-static powder because no one likes clingy embossing powder. I stamp my star image in Versamark ink, then pour on sparkling white embossing powder. When I heat it up, you can watch the powder melt into that smooth glossy magic, like stardust being born. Honestly, I could watch embossing all day. It's the craft equivalent of staring at a lava lamp. Now onto my galaxy building stage. I put some ink down on my glass mat, dilute it and bring out my trusty homemade ink smoosher, courtesy of Natalie from NB Crafts. Pre-smoosher days, I was like a clumsy astronaut spilling cosmic soup everywhere, but now, smooth sailing. I press the smoosher into the ink, dab it onto my panel and watch the magic happen. As colours build up, the Heat Embossed star resists the ink, glowing brighter with every layer. It's like it's saying, I'm still here, shining through the cosmic chaos. I use wilted violet, chipped sapphire and black soot distress oxides. Between layers, I use my heat tool to dry everything because patience might be a virtue, but so is efficiency. When I add the black soot, it briefly looks like a hot mess, but remember, we're making a night sky. Sometimes the best galaxies are born from the darkest spaces. Fun star fact, if you could drive a car to the nearest star, which is Proxima Centauri, at 60 miles per hour, it would take you over 40 million years. That's quite a lot of fuel stops. Time for some shimmer spray. A little cosmic glitter never hurt anyone. I blot it gently. Then I trim the panel to 5 by 3.75 inches to leave a neat border, and then I get ready to splatter. With a small paintbrush and watered down silver acrylic paint, I flick tiny starbursts across my panel. Then, with the leftover paint, I smoosh again to add a subtle all-over shimmer. It wouldn't be a Craftacular Creator video without a little planning with the stamps that I want to use. Next, I cut a larger black panel for my background. I stamp my chosen images, yes, including the adorable little mouse peering into space, in Memento Tuxedo black ink on Nina Classic Crest, £80. Colouring is simple, darkest shade first, blending out with the lightest. Quick and cute, because our mouse has galaxies to explore. Now for the fancy holographic paper moment. You will have already seen that I cut the word stars and several little star shapes from metallic cardstock. Using my grid for alignment, I position the letters, pick them up with low-tack tape and liquid glue, and then carefully press them onto the panel. The holographic paper catches the light and throws rainbows, much like a disco ball in zero gravity. I also glued down my colour images at this point. And then carefully removed the low-tack tape. Like magic, the sentiment appears, and here I scatter the holographic stars like little fragments of a supernova. Everything gets glued in place. No rogue shooting stars today. Finally, I glue the two panels together and then give them a wiggle to see that shimmer. And there we have it, an ink-blended, shimmer-splattered, holographic lettered, mouse-approved card that is truly out of this world. This card was inspired by episode 272 of Craft Roulette. My thank you card features a silver and purple kite flying at twilight, our little mouse stargazing, and the oh-so-high Falutin meditation. Before you go, here's a quick slide explaining what Craft Roulette is all about. I hope you join in the fun. Remember to get clicky for Vicky, and maybe tonight take a moment to look up and appreciate the real stars. No ink smusher required. Thanks for watching, take care, and ta-ta for now.